Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung, kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
If we could last forever and ever, then we would. Long as the gods will let us keep this loving going till it all loved out, till we're riding on the edge of new millennia. 'Cause we don't want it to ever end. We've been together all this time, now you're my only friend. We don't want it to ever end. We both know this could be over, but right now just hold me closer. Kiss me like it's the best time. Kiss me like you're still mine. We both know this could be over, but right now just hold me closer. Kiss me like it's the best time. Kiss me like you're still mine. Kiss me like you're still mine. Kiss me like you're still mine. It's so hard to walk our separate ways when all we ever said was how we make it someday. Every time I get up to leave, all these consequences come and linger on me. 'Cause we don't want it to be the end. We've been together all this time, now you're my only friend. We don't still mine.